So what does the Bible say about abortion? Top page, go to the index A, scroll on down to the subject abortion. God's viewpoint on the matter. Table of contents. God is sovereign over the choices people make. So, abortion and freedom of choice advocates maintain that abortion is a personal matter, a personal choice. But God says differently. God, being almighty, is sovereign over all, including the choices a man and a woman make with their own bodies and lives. Look at these passages. You shall not murder. First of all, Scripture states that the unjustified killing of a human being is wrong. So, God, in point 3, views the unborn one as a person even before conception. Look at these verses. A boy is conceived. Mother conceived me refers to a person. All these passages, we support that. Each unborn individual has a God-ordained number of days to be alive, not to be cut short by abortion. Being helpless, having defects, and encountering suffering are not the issue. At times, all individuals are defective and will suffer and be helpless. Medically speaking, the unborn child is a separate entity from the mother and to be protected under the Hippocratic Oath. From the time of conception, the individual has a special breath breathed into his soul by God and not to be interfered with by man. The Bible specifically prescribes punishment of the killing of an unborn child. Lots of support for this point. Killing to save a life does not justify abortion. Both lives count. Punish the rapist, not the unborn child. The compromise, in other words, the incremental approach, leads to the license to kill. Life is sacred. The Supreme Court has abused its authority over the people, Congress, and the Constitution. But Congress could resolve the abuse. Cloning indicates that life begins at conception. You can check that out. Okay, move back. If you are examining the study entitled Christian Responsibility, then return to the next point in that study. The key to the survival of humanity is to preserve the environment and control population.